Hi, I'm Kenneth Smith. Here at Smith Garage Doors of Stephenville, we're bringing over 20 years of experience to the Stephenville and Central Texas area.
Serving both residential and commercial customers. Our services include repair and replacement of garage doors, garage door openers, remotes, and more. With same or next day service, as well as emergency and after-hours service, we're committed to providing quality products and putting our customers' needs first. Smith Garage Doors. Good old-fashioned service.